Well, I've been fostering her for a few days now. I think next week we're getting her fixed. I don't know about her condition. I guess I'll find out when I take her in for her surgery. If she's getting any better or... I mean, she's real sweet. She likes to play. She'll eat and drink. Who's a cute little kitten? Yeah. Still keeping her in quarantine, though, just to be safe. Aw, you're a sweet kitty. You're a sweet kitty. I guess as soon as we get her fixed and find out where her condition's at, we can start trying to find her a home, forever home. Then I can help another kitten just like her. A beautiful baby.